This video will show you how you can edit your group space. Whether or not your group has any members, you can still start to build the group space and decide how you're going to use the different pieces and parts. In order to edit, you need to go up here and click the Edit button. At this point, you will have several options and decisions that you need to make about your group. We've already given the group a title and that simple description. Earlier, if you watched the video on adding members, we talked about what the auto approve code is. The part that shows, though, in the main page is this home page content, and I recommend that you at least have something here so that students and parents understand this is your group space. So I might just put in a simple welcome to, and this is sample group. Obviously your title would be more interesting. And from here I might have a description about the class. I may want to put a link to my syllabus. I may want to put my class rules, maybe a picture. You can decide, but something that's welcoming. From there I'm going to scroll down, and then I need to make a very, very important decision. This is where we can use My Big Campus for our parents to see parts such as our assignments. If I check only group members can view this group's content, then that means the student has to be logged into My Big Campus to see what's going on or use the parents' login. Eventually we will have a parent portal, but that piece is not ready yet. So if I were to check this box and say anyone on the internet can view this group's content, I still can make decisions about what exactly I want the public or the parents to see. I maybe don't want them to see our general class discussions, maybe not my announcements, but I bet for sure I want them to be able to see the calendar because that's where I'll be posting my homework. So this is the way that we make our calendar public so that the parents can see it. Further down, it's going to ask you things about pages in the group, resources in the group. We haven't gotten into what the pages and resources are yet, so for now I would recommend that we not allow the kids to create pages or add resources, but as you get into My Big Campus you may decide you want them to be able to do so, and you can easily change those settings. Last but not least, this tells your students which pages and parts of your group are enabled. You will want to have announcements so that you can communicate. You'll want to have discussions. I recommend turning off chat. We have disabled chat at the district level, so even if it is showing, the kids will not be able to chat with one another, but it's confusing to them if that is showing. I would keep pages, resources, calendar, and members available. And again, we still have an option here if we want to add a little icon for our group photo. When I hit save, you will see that my group has changed slightly and that I should now have a welcome, and that chat icon or feature at the top is gone. So I have my welcome to sample group, and where chat was showing before in here, it's now disappeared. We'll talk in another video about what these different headings can do.